are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword raise. Hello, Python programmers. In today's episode, we're diving into a powerful feature of Python's error handling mechanism, the keyword raise. Raise plays a pivotal role in signaling issues within your code, allowing for more robust and reliable applications. Let's explore how raise can elevate your error handling strategy. The raise keyword in Python is used to trigger an exception, allowing you to manually interrupt program flow when a specific error condition is met. It enables you to create custom exceptions or rethrow caught exceptions, ensuring that your program can gracefully handle or report errors as needed. Why raise? In the complex world of software, not all errors can be anticipated by Python's built-in exceptions. Raise gives you the control to define and trigger custom exceptions, making your error handling more specific and informative for end users and developers alike. The raise keyword is invaluable when you need to enforce certain conditions or constraints within your code. Whether it's validating user input, ensuring resources are available, or maintaining invariant states, raise helps you assert control by signaling issues the moment they occur. Let's see raise in action with a straightforward example. In this snippet, we define a function, calculateAge, that calculates someone's age based on their birth year. Using raise, we ensure the birth year is not in the future, and if it is, we trigger a value error with custom message. This approach allows for clear and actionable error messaging. And that's a wrap on Python's raise keyword. By integrating raise into your error handling, you can create more transparent, secure, and user-friendly Python applications. Elevate your Python skills with us. For more tips and deep dives into Python's capabilities, make sure to subscribe.